Dear investors and viewers, Ridhivesh Finance presenting Nasdaq Pumpkin. Basically, it's not Nasdaq Pumpkin, it's all about Nasdaq prediction, which we are going to give it to you right now. Yes, if you see our last video about the Nasdaq prediction for the month of November of first week, and that is nothing but, Indian market was closed, but US market was open, where we have predicted composite index of Nasdaq and Nasdaq 100 INDX. So you can see both are working very well. Ridhivesh Finance bring it up the target prediction for Nasdaq Composite Index, Nasdaq 100 INDX for predictions for 8 November till 12th November. And yes, we are going to tell you what we have achieved in the last week of 1st November till 8th November of the prediction of Nasdaq Composite Index. So wait and watch. Dear investors and viewers, if you see Nasdaq Composite Index, which we have predicted 16,550 only, and in that case, if you see, it has been touched just 2 point above, means around 3 points. It's a 52.82. So it's a hardly fractions. It's not a fractions, but point, just points, means 0 point. It's a 0.2% error, we can say, about the Nasdaq prediction of maximum higher end pricing, where we have given the stability in that particular week, which we have predicted 50,700, but it has been around 60%, not 60%, we can say. It has been sustained it quite over. You can watch from your end only. We are not, yes, we have, here is the error about us, around 200 points or something, not 200 points, we can say. There is a little difference in that case. If you see, Nasdaq has stable around 15,900 plus some points. So here we have lose that 200 points of predictions in case of stability, and as it goes down, we have predicted somewhere around 15,500. But if you see Nasdaq graph of Nasdaq, so it has touches not 500 minimum, it's a 60, it touches 15,504 on the 1st November itself. So dear investors, whatever we have given, but not at 15,500 perfectly, it has sustained between 15,000 to 15,500 to 15,600 in between. So dear investors, anyways, we have not achieved the perfectly, but we are trying a lot to do it for you to exact predictions of Nasdaq, whatever we are supporting as of now. Dear investors and viewers, if you see the Nasdaq 100, yes, there is a prediction in the error which we have given you. It's a 60% up everywhere, including maximum higher end. We have given somewhere in case of a lower end and the stable Nasdaq points. Basically, it's a 16,150 somewhere, and in that case, we have not achieved maximum higher end in case of Nasdaq 100. So Nasdaq 100 doesn't work out in case of our predictions, but if you see, yes, it has been achieved somewhere around 16,470. So 300 down the line, we have not achieved in case of maximum higher end, and in case of stability of the market, so it has sustained somewhere 16,000, yes, 200 points again down the line. And when it has gone down and down towards, it has been around Again 15,000 above 800, so it not gone down. So in that case we are wrong in that case. Yes, about Nasdaq 100. Anyways, sometimes it's our bad luck, we can say. Our predictions not comes true, but it's fine. Probably this week it can perform, hopefully. Dear investors and viewers, Prithvish Finance give a prediction for Nasdaq Composite Index, COM and Nasdaq 100 lives for 8th November till 12th November. It's not a 12th November basically. Yeah, it's a 12th November we are going to talk about it. So Nasdaq Composite Index maximum higher end, it can touch 1600, 550. It can be stabilized. Sustain stability at 16,200 around. Minimum higher end we are expecting it can goes below 15,900 or 800 somewhere. Nasdaq 100 NDX maximum higher end we are expecting 16,900 or it can touches 17,000. It can be stabilized at around 15,600 points or 16,600 or 16,400 in between that. But we are telling you it's a 16,600. It can be stabilized and it minimum lower end it can goes up to 16,200. Yeah, it will not fall below 200. Hopefully we have given correct margins. Thank you by Prithvish Finance. And yes, Nasdaq Pumpkin will do